Hey everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is pork chops. Yes, again, but this time from frozen. So my mom had some bone-in pork chops, and she found this blog, Temecula Blogs, that tells you how to cook them from frozen in the slow cooker. And so that's what she did, but she made two different batches and two different flavors, which you'll see in the video, but all from frozen bone-in pork chops. So give it a try. Check out the video. They were delicious. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
Okay, so as Yoda said, we are making some pork chops from frozen. So these are frozen pork chops. There's a bunch. There's like 5 in here and another 5 in that slow cooker over there, which I'll tell you what I got in each one. But they're frozen. You want to put it on low. And in this one, I'm using Walden Farms vegan, gluten-free, whatever, honey Dijon dressing as my flavor. And then I'm using the blend and minced onion. So I sprayed the slow cooker with my coconut oil spray. And then I put a layer of the minced onion on the bottom, a layer of the blend, a little bit of honey Dijon dressing. Then I laid the first layer of pork chops on there, then redid that. So more blend, more onion, and then covered the top of it with dressing. Remember, these are frozen. So we're gonna cook them on low for 6 to 8 hours, or if you need it faster, you can do high for 3 to 4 hours. So that's this one. Then I'm gonna take my little ingredients over here, because this one used the same thing except for the flavors. So this one is another 5 or so pork chops that are frozen. These are bone-in, by the way. You can do it bone-in or no bone, either way it works. And again, I sprayed the bottom of the slow cooker with coconut oil, and then I have minced onion, the blend, and a little bit of this Walden Farms vegan Chipotle ranch dressing. So no dairy, no eggs, no stuff I'm allergic to, and no carbs. Like maybe this one has 1 gram of carbs for every 2 tablespoons, but then it has 1 gram of fiber, so that cancels each other out. So like literally no carbs. So this one's gonna be Chipotle ranch flavored pork chops. And again, low 6 to 8 hours or high 3 to 4. It's up to you. I'm going low on both of them. They just are more tender, in my opinion, that way. But they're frozen, so you don't have to thaw anything out. Just got to separate them. And this one I did the same thing. Sprayed it, then put a layer of onion, layer of blend, a little bit of Chipotle ranch, then put the pork chops down. Again, layered it, blend, onion, ranch. So there you go. I'll show you the finished product. All right. So it did not take as many hours as I thought. It took maybe, I put them in here around 10. It took maybe 3 to 4, and they're done. They are supposed to be 150 for pork chops, 145 to 150. I had to turn it down to low or actually warm, because they looked already done, and I was like, surely they're not done yet. It still has several hours. Pork is like usually 145. When I first stuck it in here, it said like 160, 170. Let's see what it is now that I put it down on warm. Yeah, we're at least to 145, which is what it needs to be at. So yeah, those are done. And this is the honey mustard green. So that took about 4 hours on low. This one took even less. I don't know if this slow cooker cooks warmer or something or what, but this one was only in here 3 hours, maybe 3.5 on low. And it's this kind of slow cooker, so I moved it down to warm. But I had chosen 8 hours on low for this one. Of course, earlier I checked it, they were 155, but it may not be as warm now. Okay, I'm gonna leave these in here a little bit longer. But this is the Chipotle Ranch ones, but the other ones are done. So you'll know what they look like when they're done. And so about 4 hours on low instead of 3.5. Have a great Monday, guys. Bye. All right, I let this one go on low for 4 hours as well, the Chipotle Ranch pork chops, and they are done. I checked the temperature on all of them, all above 150, 160, so we are good. Hope you guys have a happy Monday.